Good morning. I'm just wondering why there is a sunshine there and the other side is same like cloudy or what, almost raining. Oh, I don't know. I don't know why. Oh, hello, good morning from Hong Kong, seaside of Hong Kong.